Hi everybody and welcome to CAPSLOCK's pre-course environment. Really glad to welcome you all here. Just going to give you a quick introduction to CAPSLOCK as a company. The three founders ourselves will introduce ourselves and then just talk you very quickly through the pre-course environment. My name's Lorna Armitage. I'm one of the co-founders here at CAPSLOCK. Just a very quick overview of my background. So I've worked extensively as a senior academic in higher education for a number of years, as well as a cybersecurity consultant out in industry, consulting to the highest level, both for the public and private sector.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Slater, one of the co-founders at CAPSLOCK. I come from a cybersecurity recruitment consultancy background, so a really strong understanding of the labour market and what it takes to get employed. So I take responsibility for the curriculum around and career support around CAPSLOCK whilst you're enrolled as well. But that's me. Over to you, Anne.
Hi, thanks, Jonathan. So Andrea, the third of the three co-founders at CAPSLOCK. I've got a background similar to Lorna's really, working as a senior academic in computer science and cybersecurity, and then as a consultant in industry.
So we're just going to give you a quick overview of pre-course and also a quick overview of CAPSLOCK, what to expect, and importantly, how pre-course will differ from the full curriculum once you're enrolled. So initially, CAPSLOCK, what we do, we reskill adults into cybersecurity professionals, and we do that via an intensive boot camp, so 16 weeks full-time or 26 weeks part-time, where we teach you the industry skills needed to land a job as an industry practitioner in cybersecurity. Now, we're really quite inclusive in terms of how we do our admissions process. So we've removed as many barriers as possible. So in pre-course, what we do, we judge you on your potential and your willingness to learn, which is absolutely #1 trait needed to become a cybersecurity professional. So you'll see in pre-course all the necessary information to prepare for the full course. So what we expect from you in this bit, you're in getting started right now in terms of the track, but we've got other tracks called so Introduction to Cybersecurity, Introduction to Network Fundamentals, and an Introduction to Operating Systems. So we'll need you to complete all three of those tracks to be able to enroll on the full course. Alongside pre-course, you also get access to immersive labs, which is a range of hands-on cyber simulation labs as well. So I'm just going to pass you over to Lorna and Andrea to talk about how pre-course might differ from the full CAPSLOCK experience once you're enrolled on the full course.
Cheers, Jonathan. Yeah, so it is very different environment that you'll be doing in pre-course than you will on the full course. In terms of pre-course, as Jonathan said, we wanted to include this so that we can remove as many barriers as possible and give everybody the opportunity to prove themselves and let us see their potential going forward. But pre-course is very much independent self-study. It is guided in terms of the paths that we've put together, but you will be working through it independently, using the labs, watching the videos, doing some quizzes and things like that. We do have the Slack environment for you to join up to, and there is support on there, and there's lots of other learners, including some of the learners that are currently on our courses that are running now. So please do make the most of that as well. But it is very different from the actual CAPSLOCK course that you will be joining on.
Yeah, the CAPSLOCK course itself is built around problems and how you might solve those problems as a professional in industry. It's great for a load of reasons, really. One is it develops things like problem solving and critical thinking, and they've been identified as the key skills, really, in employment over the coming years. It also builds confidence. What we want really is for individuals to go out into industry as confident, capable practitioners and enjoy the rest of the career.
Yeah, we use a methodology, like an approach to learning called team-based learning. So everything that you are doing, all the problems that you solve on a day-to-day basis will be in your teams on the main course. You'll be working together in teams of no more than 5 and doing really hands-on practical problem solving throughout the course. So very different from what you're doing at the moment.
Yeah, might seem a little bit scary at first in terms of working with others in a team, but you know, the feedback from learners currently enrolled, team-based learning, it's just been fantastic.
Yeah.
Completely transforms the learning experience, makes it a lot more immersive and realistic. So we really do try and simulate the cybersecurity workplace to prepare you. But yeah, that's all from us. If you need any help in pre-course, you can get in touch with any of the tutors, any of us free in the Slack community. So yeah, see you there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cheers, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.